Hey guys,
Guys,
we
we
are
are back again with
back!
another video, and this time it is Dora 2025 Marco Boston Zach.
Wasn't Zach?
Poison
Poison
Cake.
cake!
Let's go.
Let's go, guys! We are
Let's go.
excited.
Yeah, really excited. As much.
Oh my
Just
god,
give
he
me a
look
moment, I
like
guess, because technical difficulties,
it's.
it happens.
Ooh,
Wow. Wow. It looks so cool. It's like a disc. It's
yeah,
like a disc or
it's
CD
retro kind
type.
of vibe
Yeah.
that he create.
Those big discs that used to
Yeah,
play.
vinyl disc.
Yeah, vinyl discs.
Yeah.
Those things looks like it. This looks like that. It's also moving roundwise. Oh wow!
Okay. Can we increase the volume, please? Because there's no it's a live performance, so don't worry. Wow, I like the
Wow!
golden dress.
The dress is amazing. It's
It's
like
all
he's
golden.
carrying his own throne with his in his back.
Yeah,
Those really pointy
yeah.
things there in the
It looks
thrones.
so good.
It looks good, honestly.
Ooh.
Whoa! Wow! Whoa! They looks like pirates from Caribbean.
Yeah,
It's like he literally rented a lot of pirates from Caribbean.
Caribbean.
Oh wow!
Ooh.
Oh, he looks so cute. He's a little too good looking
Yeah,
man. Oh!
dude.
Oh
Oh
wow!
man, how this transition happened?
It's like the
It's so
song has
fast.
it's like the song has two parts. One is sweet, very sweet, cute. Oh my god, wow, so cute. And the other part is try me. Sorry, I have a little cough and cold.
Ooh.
Wow. Whoa.
Oh my
This
goodness.
is amazing.
Oh my
Wow.
god.
It's like he's also changing his vocal
Yeah,
module, like vocal tone. Like
yeah.
sometimes, like in the sweet, very sweet parts, his voice is like very cute, subtle, nice, soft. But in the like dark part,
Yeah,
it's
also it's
getting.
more like he's snake. It feels like snake.
Yeah, it's like he's coming out of his own shell.
Yeah.
The
Ooh.
rotten skin. Wow,
He's
love
talking about
it.
snake. Wow.
Wow. Wow, that quote is like the
Yeah.
the
The
whole
key
laser.
part of this
It's
performance.
really amazing. Look
Yeah,
how
man.
much the length is. I want one, honestly. I just
It looks so good
I think
on
it would
him.
if someone paired it with heel boots,
Yeah.
those things,
Those
and
things will
then
really work.
go out, they would
Yeah.
feel very very
I know.
confident, to be
I know.
honest. I sometimes I do feel very confident while
Yeah.
using a lot of heels and stilettos. I don't own like not much, but as much as I own heels, I like it. When I
Yeah.
wear it, I feel really confident. It's like gives you a confidence
It gives
booster.
you wings.
Eh,
Red Bull.
no, no, we are not sponsored by Red Bull,
Red Bull.
honestly.
Sorry, guys.
Red Bull sponsors, maybe. Oh
Oh my
wow!
god.
Whoa!
Oh
Didn't expected
man.
that.
This is
Did not
intense.
expected that.
Yeah, me too.
This is out of nowhere.
Love
Amazing,
this.
love it. Oh! It's like his persona became the persona of Harley Quinn. Like
Yeah.
Harley Quinzel from Joker, that mad doctor.
The way
Yeah.
he sing, man.
It's kind of like her personality.
Yeah.
Like the character of Harley Quinn
It
does
is
this kind of
fabulous though,
stuff.
man.
Those maniac laughs
Yeah.
and kind of like that. Those tones. It's very
It's
you
so
know,
catchy, you know.
and it's very you can spot it, you know,
Yeah.
when someone is doing a real laugh and someone is doing a maniac laugh. You
It's
wanna
really good.
see? Ooh, wow. Second trick of get sick of spice, AC, tasty, yum, yum,
Oh
yum.
my god.
Can you still so rice?
Oh, how he do that?
He just,
It's more
it's
like some
just
jingle song or something. He's doing that. He's a like a kid, and now it's innocent kid.
Don't.
Yeah, those jingles or something. I used to watch those jingles, and now he's just transition into something dark.
We all did watch this kind of jingles growing up
Yeah,
in TVs, like
those are
from
the
the
yeah.
advertisements.
That
Now advertisements are not those that much creative, you know.
yeah.
Like previously, ads used to be very creative.
Yeah, they use something that can
That
stuck in
was
your mind,
wheat.
you
That
know.
was their
It's
wheat.
also our channel name stuck in my reaction.
But that there was so much wheat intellect going into one
Yeah,
ad. But now it's just random. Do this, do that. You
no
have this
creative
problem. No,
things.
yeah, exactly. I miss this that creative. You know,
I also miss that.
the creativity used to reflect on even 5 second ad.
Yeah,
You know, yeah. That's anyhow. We are going very much out of the topic.
yeah. Let's play. Zone K.
Ooh, wow.
Zone K.
Ooh, wow. Dun, 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 dun.
Ooh,
Oh my
wow,
god,
dude.
what
This
the
vocal,
hell?
insane talent.
Oh wow! Wow!
This
Wow!
is outstanding, man.
Wow!
Poison cake,
Wow!
poison cake, poison cake,
Poison cake!
poison cake.
Poison cake! Oh my god!
Oh my god,
This
dude.
is amazing!
This is so good.
Oof! You can smile now, you know.
Yeah.
You can smile now. You look really good. You are far too pretty, honestly.
I know. But he's not smiling. I don't know why.
It's a character, you know.
It's a character, I know.
You know.
Okay. What a performance.
What a performance! What a performance!
Love this.
Loved this. Thank you so much, guys. If
Thank
you're still
you.
watching, do like, do share, and also do subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos in this channel. Until then, bye bye.